Hello friends, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss most important questions in relation to UGC NET paper 1. So if you are watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the next video. Here we have the first question. The first question is, which of the following is not the critical feature of qualitative research? Here the options are option A, actual settings are the direct source of data. B, data take the forms of words or pictures. C, seeking to establish relationships among major social facts. D, researcher becomes immersed in the situation present or past related to the phenomena. Here the correct answer is option C, seeking to establish relationships among major social facts is not the critical feature of qualitative research. Okay friends, option C is correct answer. Now let us see next question. The next question is, a detailed description of methodology of research is required in. The question is, a detailed description of methodology of research is required in. Here the options are option A, thesis or dissertation. B, symposium or workshop. C, seminar paper or articles. D, conference and papers, conference and seminar papers. Here the correct answer is option A is correct answer, thesis and dissertation. Now let us see next question. Next question is, research ethics has a direct connection more often with which stages of research? The question is, research ethics has a direct connection more often with which stages of research? Here the options are option A, defining and delimiting the scope of research. Option B, problem formulation and reporting of research findings. Option C, defining the population and deciding the sampling technique for research. Option D, deciding about statistical techniques and data analysis. Here the correct answer is option B, problem formulation and reporting of research findings. Okay friends, option B is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is if 1 gigabyte is equal to 230 bytes of data storage, then 1024 terabytes is equal to that's bits of data storage. Here the options are option A 250, option B 253, option C 240, option D 256. Here the correct answer is option B 253 bits. If 1 gigabyte is equal to 230 bytes of data storage, then 1024 terabytes is equal to 253 bits of data storage. Now let us see next question. Next question is, the software used to navigate through the web is known as. The software used to navigate through the web is known as. Here the options are option A, website. B, web browser. C, internet. D, world wide web. Here the correct answer is option B, web browser. The software used to navigate through the web is known as web browser. Okay friends, option B is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, with regard to email, what does BCC mean? The question is, with regard to email, what does BCC mean? Here the correct answer is option B. Option B is correct answer. BCC mean blind carbon copy. Blind carbon copy. The user specified in the BCC field will get the email and see the addresses in the to and CC fields. Okay friends, option B is correct answer. Blind carbon copy. Now let us see next question. Next question is random access memory. Random access memory, RAM, a form of computer storage, is a blank memory. Here the options are: option A non-volatile memory, option B volatile memory, option C permanent memory, option D secondary memory. Here the correct answer is option B. Option B is correct answer. Random access memory, a form of computer storage, is a volatile memory. Okay friends, option B is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is in computer networking. In computer networking, HTTP is referred to as a stateless protocol as servers do not maintain any information about past client requests. HTTP is an acronym for, that means what is the full form of HTTP? Here the options are: option A hypertext translation protocol, option B hypertext transfer protocol, option C high terabyte transfer protocol, option D hypervisor text translation protocol. Here the correct answer is option B hypertext transfer protocol. Option B is correct answer. Hypertext transfer protocol is the full form of HTTP. Now let us see next question. Next question is the arsenic pollution in groundwater in Bangladesh and parts of India is due to. Here the options are: option A industrial waste, option B thermal power plants, option C natural sources, option D agricultural practices. Here the correct answer is option C natural sources. The arsenic pollution in groundwater in Bangladesh and parts of India is due to natural sources. Okay friends, option C is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is which of the following air pollutants which directly impacts human health as well as climate? The question is which of the following air pollutants which directly impacts human health as well as climate? Here the options are: option A should be sulfur dioxide, C oxides of nitrogen, D chlorofluorocarbons. Here the correct answer is option A. Should is the correct answer. Option A is correct answer. Should is an air pollutant which directly impacts human health as well as climate. Okay friends, option A is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is assertion and reason. Assertion, let us see. Assertion: the problems of environmental sustainability are difficult to resolve. The assertion is the problems of environmental sustainability are difficult to resolve. Reason is our understanding how environment works and how different human choices affect environment is inadequate. Here the correct answer is option A. Option A is correct answer. Both A and R. That means both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay friends, option A is correct answer. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of A. Option A is correct answer. Let us see next question. Next question is as part of intended nationally determined contributions, Indian government through additional forest and tree cover has resolved to create an additional carbon sink in terms of carbon dioxide equivalent by year 2030 to the extent of. The question is, as part of intended nationally determined contributions, Indian government through additional forest and tree cover has resolved to create an additional carbon sink by year 2030 to the extent of. Here the correct answer is option B, 2.5 to 3 billion tons. Option B is correct answer. 2.5 to 3 billion tons. Okay, friends. Now let us see next question. Next question is, which of the following is a meteorological hazard? The question is, which of the following is a meteorological hazard? Here the options are option A, avalanche, option B, coastal erosion, option C, landslide, option D, blizzard. Here the correct answer is option D, blizzard. Blizzard is a meteorological hazard. Okay, Prince, option D is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, which of the following universities institutes is ranked first in the India rankings 2016? Here the options are Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi; B, Central University, Hyderabad; C, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore; D, Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai. Here the correct answer is option C, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore is ranked first in the India rankings 2016. Okay, friends, option C is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct about distance education in India? The question is, which of the following statements are correct about distance education in India? The options are option A, it supplements formal education; B, it reduces the cost of education; C, it replaces the formal education; D, it enhances access to education. Here the correct answer is option C. Option C is correct answer. A, B, D. A, B, D statements are correct regarding to the distance education in India. A, B, D. It supplements formal education. B, it reduces the cost of education. And D, it enhances access to education. These statements are correct about distance education in India. Okay, friends. Now let us see next question. Next question is, which of the following are statutory bodies? The question is, which of the following are statutory bodies? The options are option A, Election Commission of India; B, University Grants Commission; C, All India Council for Technical Education; D, National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Here the correct answer is option C, B and C. B and C are the statutory bodies. B and C. B and C. That means University Grants Commission, University Grants Commission, and All India Council for Technical Education. These two institutions are statutory bodies. Okay, friends. Now let us see next question. Next question is, which of the following statements are not correct in respect of Rajya Sabha? Very important question. Which of the following statements are not correct in respect of Rajya Sabha? The statements are: statement A, it has same powers as those of Lok Sabha. This is not true. It has same powers as those of Lok Sabha. This is not true. And B statement, it can pass a vote of no confidence against the Council of Ministers. Statement C, it can amend a money bill. This is also not true. Statement D, it can be dissolved during emergency. This is not true. So here option D, A, B, C, D. That means all the statements are not correct in respect of Rajya Sabha. Okay, friends. Which of the following statements are not correct in respect of Rajya Sabha? Here, statement A, it has same powers as those of Lok Sabha. This is not true. That means this is not correct. Option B, it can pass a vote of no confidence against the Council of Ministers. This is also not correct. Option C, statement C, it can amend a money bill. This is also not correct. And statement D, it can be dissolved during emergency. This is also not correct. So here the correct answer is option D, A, B, C, D. All the statements are not correct regarding in respect of Rajya Sabha. Okay, friends. Okay, friends, this much only for today. If you are watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the next video. Thank you, friends.